surrounding Toledo or at Toledo, you have to evacuate now. Davis Bessie nuclear power plant has exploded. If you are at Oi surrounding Toledo, you need to evacuate now to a different state. Everyone in Ohio, everyone surrounding Toledo, Oi at Toledo needs to evacuate now. If you are hearing this and you are at the place where it is called, you have to evacuate now. I repeat, you have to evacuate now if you are listening to this and if you are at the state you are at. If you are at the place where it's circled at, you have to evacuate now. That means for Toledo, Sandusky, Huron, Norwalk, Bellevue, Vermont, Bowling Green, Tiffin, Bastoria, North Bernardsson, District, Napoleon, and even outside of Ohio. Also, if you're at the place, but if you're outside of the circle, you are safe. But if you are inside the circle, you need to evacuate now. I repeat, if you're inside the circle, you need to evacuate. If you're outside the circle, you are good.